The World Health Organization has declared that antimicrobial resistance is one of the top 10 global public health concerns that humanity is facing right now. It is projected to cause around 700,000 people each year globally.
But what is antimicrobial resistance?
Antimicrobial resistance pertains to the ability of a microorganism to resist the effects of a drug. It is a global health and development threat and requires urgent multi-sectoral action in order to achieve sustainable development goals.
What factors can cause antimicrobial resistance?
There are many factors that can cause antimicrobial resistance. A few of them would be overprescription of antibiotics, patients not finishing the treatment, poor infection control in hospitals and clinics, and the lack of new antibiotics being developed.
How does AMR spread?
Antimicrobial resistant organisms are found in people, animals, food, plants, and generally in the environment such as water, soil, and air. But the most common way of spreading is from person to person or between people and animals. Consumption of these organisms via food can cause human illnesses. It can also spread due to misuse and/or overuse of antimicrobials, limited access to clean water, sanitation, and hygiene not only for humans but for the animals as well.
How to stop the spread of resistance?
First, use antibiotics only when prescribed by a physician and always follow the physician's advice when taking antibiotics. Next, it is important to never share or use leftover antibiotics. And lastly, proper hygiene is the easiest way to prevent antimicrobial resistance. This includes practices such as washing hands regularly, preparing food hygienically, avoiding close contact with sick people, practicing safe sex, and keeping vaccinations updated to avoid infections.
Why is it important to stop AMR?
The reason we need to stop the spread of antimicrobial resistance is because it leads to higher medical costs, prolonged hospital stays, and increased mortality. Remember, it is our duty to use antibiotics in the most efficient way possible. Let us be part of the campaign to spread awareness and stop the resistance.